Hello students, how are you? I hope you are doing well at your home and you are enjoying your online classes also. Students, as you know that your online classes is still running, and once you using your online classes, many kinds of questions, many kinds of doubt, okay, many things are arriving, and your teachers are always able to give you all kind of support to resolve your queries, resolve your doubts. Okay, so do not hesitate to ask your doubts to your teacher, right? So with this wish, this is Viren, your computer science teacher, and I am here to give you a very important lecture on Microsoft Excel. Right now, this video belongs to class 7th student, but other classes can also take the benefit of this video. स्टूडेंट्स, आज का जो वीडियो है वो बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है। रीज़न क्या है? रीज़न ये है कि आज जो वीडियो आपके सामने मैं लाया हूँ वो वीडियो आपको एक क्विज आपको प्रोवाइड करेगा, कुछ क्वेश्चंस प्रोवाइड करेगा, कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस, और वो इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हो सकता है आपकी हेल्प करें आपके एग्जाम में। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज वॉच दिस वीडियो फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग टिल एंड सो दैट यू कैन टेक मोस्ट ऑफ द बेनिफिट ऑफ दिस वीडियो। ओके, आप इस वीडियो को इसकी जरा सा मत करिएगा, एक एक पार्ट को, एक एक चीज को बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से देखिएगा, और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आता है तो आप इसको लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करेंगे। So students, welcome to my YouTube channel. With this welcome, now I am going to start this session, this class. Okay? So students, as you know that your previous class is already finished and some of the theory portions and some of the little bit session is given on the practical portion also. Okay, so students, right now few more topics are pending and I request you to please visit my previous videos also so that you can just recall all the things. Okay, because in that videos only the practical demonstration and as well as the best understanding is given, right students? So please visit to that videos also. Okay, I will try to send the link by today or maybe as early as possible, but students please you can search yourself on my YouTube channel so that you can have it and take the most of the benefits. Okay students, without wasting your time, let's come to the topics, what topics we have already covered in the previous videos. Right now students, this is chapter number 4 and right now the name of this chapter is using Excel as database. And right now this is one kind of online quiz session, and in this video I will ask a few important questions and these questions will help you out, okay, as a part of your periodic test or maybe in future exams. So these are the topics which are already covered here. That is number 1, introductions. Number 2, using form to enter data. Number 3, adding new record in a form. Number 4, searching a record. Number 5, sorting data. Number 6, filtering data. Number 7, using advanced filter. Number 8, data validation. Number 9, adding subtotal in a database. And last, analyzing data with pivot table. So these are the topics which already finished, already revised, and now it's your responsibility to ask the queries, ask your doubts to your subject teacher, right? Students, one request I have, whatever the questions I am going to ask within few minutes, you have to give the answer by using your YouTube comment, or you can use the WhatsApp. Okay, you will directly get in touch with me by these two medias, right? And once if you have any kind of doubt during this session, you can ask me, right? So students, now I am going to write the question number 1, and then after writing it, we'll just wait for it for your answers, right? So now, question number 1. First question, define database. Define database. Right? Please be fast, students. Okay? You have to give the answer by using the YouTube comment. Okay? And here to give you all kind of support. Let's come to the question number 2. Question number 2 is define record. Right? You can, one more thing, you have to also define field and field name. Field name. Right? Question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3 is what are the characteristics of form in MS Excel? Right? The question is, what are the characteristics of form in MS Excel? Right? Let's come to the question number 4. What is the use of criteria button in the form of MS Excel feature? Right? These questions does say just when you use your form, then at that time there is one button is available on that form. The name of that button is criteria. You have to give the use. What is the use of that button? Okay. Let's come to the question number 5. Question number 5. Question is, what is the use of spreadsheet software? What is the use of spreadsheet software? So students, many of the students are still giving the answers of the questions, and you are attempting a good way. Very nice, students. Okay, keep doing it. Okay, let's come to the next question. Next question is, what are the steps to start MS Excel? What are the steps to start MS Excel? Okay, so these are the questions. Okay, let's record one more time so that you can have a better understanding. You can understand the question and able to give the answer. Okay. Now question number 1. Define database. Question number 2. Define record, field, field name. Question number 3. What are the characteristics of form in a MS Excel? मतलब क्या हुआ? आपको बताना है कि फॉर्म का कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या होता है. ओके. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. What is the use of criteria button in the form of MS Excel feature? मतलब ये हुआ कि जब आप फॉर्म फीचर को ओपन करते हो उस समय आपको वहां पर एक क्राइटेरिया बटन दिखाई देता है. आपको बताना है उस क्राइटेरिया बटन का क्या इस्तेमाल है. क्लियर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. What is the use of spreadsheet software? I repeat, what is the use of spreadsheet software? Question number 6. What are the steps to start MS Excel? आप MS Excel को स्टार्ट करने के लिए कौन कौन से स्टेप्स को फॉलो करेंगे. ओके. सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स now it's time to have the answers. Many of students are still giving the answer and many students are giving the correct answer. Yes, correct answer. Okay, but now I am now going to start answering on these questions. Okay, question 1. Define database. Database is nothing but it's a one kind of collection of information and it is used for a different purpose. Right? If you want to create a database of a student, you can create it. And okay, so one kind of records, one kind of information that is called the database. Right? Question number 2. Define record. Record is row. Whatever the database is created, the particular row is called a record. Okay, and that record is giving the all information about the particular students. Okay. Field is column means a particular column giving a one kind of information that is known as field. Now next is field name. Field is nothing but it's the one kind of column header. Means column की जो heading होती है उसी को हम बोलते हैं field name. Okay. Question number 3. What are the characteristics of form? मतलब क्या वो form का characteristics क्या है? पहला point, it is giving a easy interface to enter the data. If you want to enter the data directly to the table, you can use the form. Right? This is the first point. Second point, by entering the data, you can also remove or update the data in an easy way. Right? Point number 3. You can also search the required data by using the specific criteria. By using the specific criteria, specific rule, by using some kind of primary key. Now let's come to the question number 4. Question 4 is asking what is the use of criteria. यानी फॉर्म आपके सामने खुला हुआ है, वहां पर क्राइटेरिया. इसका मतलब ये हुआ you are trying to search out some specific information based on some rules, some protocols. Likewise, अगर मैं चाहता हूँ किसी रोल नंबर को फाइंड आउट करना चाहता हूँ तो रोल नंबर टाइप करूँगा, उस रोल नंबर जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है मेरे सामने आ जाएगी. राइट? या वो हाईलाइट हो जाएगी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ स्प्रेडशीट सॉफ्टवेयर. स्प्रेडशीट सॉफ्टवेयर का मतलब ये हुआ कि आप यहाँ पर जो कैलकुलेशन से रिलेटेड सॉफ्टवेयर है उनको यूज कर रहे हो जिसमें रोज और कॉलम या फिर कह सकते हैं टेबल की फॉर्म में है जहाँ पर अपने आप डेटाबेस को इंटर करते हैं यहाँ. ओके, क्लियर है? उम्मीद करता हूँ स्टूडेंट्स आप मेरे इस वीडियो को जरूर पसंद कर रहे होंगे. ओके, सो विद दिस let's come to the next use of spreadsheet software. The spreadsheet software is also used for financial calculations. Okay, and apart apart from this, it is also used for creating the graphs and chart. Okay. Now let's come to the question number 6. The question 6 is asking about what are the steps for starting Microsoft Excel. Step number 1, click on Start. Step number 2, click on All Programs. Step number 3, click on Microsoft Office. Step number 4, click on Microsoft Office Excel 2007. Okay, or you can say 2010. There is one more method to open it. Once you click on Start button, there is a search box. Just write Excel, and immediately you will have the Microsoft Excel icon, and then click on that. The MS Excel will open it. So students, right now I have given the answer of these questions. Now I will take few more questions so that it will help you out to give you all kind of information, right? So right now these questions based on the topics which is already covered. So let's erase the board and then we will proceed. So students, I hope you are enjoying it. But students, one thing I is requesting you, if you have any kind of doubt, any kind of problem, please ask to your subject teacher. Okay, it's mandatory. Because if you don't ask any kind of question to your subject teacher, okay, the subject teacher is not able to know your problems. Okay, so don't hesitate. Each and every teacher is having all kinds of notes. So please do not hesitate to ask your queries. So right now the board is erased now, and now I am going to take few more questions. Right? Let's come to question number 7. What are the other spreadsheet softwares? It is that apart from Microsoft Excel, you need to give the other names of spreadsheet softwares. Question number 8. Question is, what is the by default name of workbook in MS Excel? What is the by default name of workbook in MS Excel? Okay, let's take few more questions. Question number 9. What is the use of sorting in MS Excel? What is the use of sorting in MS Excel? Question number 10. Question number 10. What is the use of filtering in MS Excel? What is the use of filtering in MS Excel? Clear? So right now let's repeat the questions one more time and then we'll proceed further. Question number 7. What are the other spreadsheet softwares? Question number 8. What is by default name of workbook in Microsoft Excel? Question 9. What is the use of sorting in MS Excel? Question 10. What is the use of filtering in MS Excel? Students, you are right now, you are very purpose doing a good job. Many answers I am receiving here and many answers are correct. Whatever the incorrect, I am immediately reply it. Okay, whatever the incorrect answer there. But right now within few seconds I'm also going to give the answer of these questions. Okay, so don't panic about that. Okay, you are doing a good job. Question number 7. What are the other spreadsheet softwares? So, okay, so you are using Google Sheet, you are using OpenOffice Calc. Okay, so Google Sheet is internet based software. Question number 8. What is by default name of workbook in MS Excel? By default name. Answer is book 1. Yes, answer is book 1. Question number 9. What is the use of sorting in MS Excel? What is the use of sorting? So answer is sorting is the one kind of feature of Microsoft Excel which gives you a most benefit so that you can ascend or you can arrange your data in ascending order or descending order. Okay, and you can do by using this icon like this. This is for ascending. This is for ascending order. This is for ascending order, and ZA. This is for descending order. Okay, so by using these two icons, you can use your ascending and descending feature. Okay, so this is for sorting. Okay, now it's time to have the question number 10. What is the use of filtering in MS Excel? Filtering is if you want to display the required data on a screen and you can hide the rest of the data. So you can do this thing by using the filtering option, and this is available in data tab. And the name of the group is sort and filter group. And if you want to sort the data, the sort button is also available in data tab. Okay, group is same, sort and filter group. So students, right now it's a time to have to erase the board and then we will proceed further. Okay, so now I am going to erase the board and then we will proceed. So students, I think you are like this video and you are enjoying this video also. So keep enjoying here and keep in touch with your subject teacher. Okay? And don't hesitate to ask your questions to your subject teacher. Okay, every teacher is here to give you all kinds of support. Okay, students. So, students, right now still I am erasing the board. So don't be panic here. Please show some patience. Okay. So, students, right now it's time to end this video. So thank you so much for watching this video. Keep enjoying, be smile, and one more time, a big thank you for all my dear students, all my viewers, all my participants. Okay, a big thank you for you. This is a thank you for all my dear students. Okay, so students, keep smiling.